Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to work with undo in your Gmail, right? First you need to go to settings, click on your settings and see all settings, and in general tab you will see a undo sent option, right? There was called undo send and there was a send cancellation period, and you can select the seconds, right? How many seconds you need to select. There was a 5, 10, 20 and 30 seconds, right? Basically I'm using 13 seconds because there was a lot of time to you can undo option can be enabled, right? And then you need to save the changes, and then we go to back to compose and select some kind of email that you need to send the email, right? Then you can select the email, right? Just like this. And if you now press the send button, it will go without subject and the body, right? No attachment, right? So that kind of situation you can use this undo option, right? Now I'm clicking undo, and then that send email again back to your compose view, right? Now I am deleting this email, right? That's how work on with undo option. So guys, let's meet another video in next day.